The Vermont Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired.
Today we're going to talk about a microwave cooker called the Fasta Pasta. It has water measurements on the side that are very hard to see and feel, which we'll talk about how to get around later. The lid has a strainer on the left and a measurement for 1 and 2 servings of pasta on the right. The lid fits on but does not click in solidly. It just rests very securely, so keep that in mind. Now the pasta inserts through the 1 or 2 serving holes in the top of the lid. You take a fistful of pasta and hold it over the hole. The end of the pasta that fits into the hole as you release pressure with your fist will slide into the hole. You then gently pull your hand up and pick up any loose pasta that did not go through the hole and set it to the side. You then have an exact 1 serving measurement of pasta. The hole is about the size of, say, a silver dollar or half dollar. The pasta maker can make 4 servings, and so we practiced this and placed the pasta flat under the lid inside the pasta maker. We then took a look at the measurements on the side and determined that roughly 2 cups of water was needed for 1 serving of pasta, and for each additional serving of pasta, a half cup of water was needed. So for 4 servings, 2 cups plus 3 half cups equals 3.5 cups of water. Once you have the pasta measured and the water added, you place it in the microwave and cook it for 14 minutes on high. In the microwave, the lid is not on, but before removing the container from the microwave, you want to place the lid on top of the container and hold it firmly to the top of the container as you remove it to prevent any water from spilling and burning your fingers. Once over the sink, again holding about halfway back on the container, gently tip the strainer end of your lid towards the sink, and as you firmly hold the lid to the container, it will strain the water out of the pasta. As the water begins to trickle, you can shake the pasta to get extra water out of there. The water is hot, and so you want to make sure that your fingers are on the reverse of the container, not anywhere near the strainer. You can tilt it upside down if you're holding the lid on firmly, but be careful, you don't want the lid to fall off while doing that. Once you have finished straining the water out of the container, remove the lid, and you'll find the pasta very soft, not sticking to itself at all. It's amazing how well this device works. So even though the measurement markings on the side are not accessible, predetermining the amount of water you need will allow you to use this device.
If you or a loved one needs assistance coping with vision loss, contact the Vermont Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired at 802-863-1358, or to learn more, go to our website, www.vabvi.org.